Hi guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a 2023 Toyota Sienna. This one is a hybrid model. Now this car has a push button to the vehicle. Unfortunately, it does not have a remote starter. It doesn't even have the proximity unlock. But if it had a remote starter, the remote starter would have worked. After the installation we've done here, we've done an installation of anti-theft pin code system. It's the IGLA Anti-theft. And now let me show you what it's basically going to do. I have the factory key, so let me show you. So if you have a thief that was able to boost your key or get a hold of your key, come into your vehicle, enter the car with the original key. Again, I have the key in here. Press the brake, press the push button, and the car should go to what we call ready mode. In the hybrid, you should have the green light in here, says ready, and the car should be able to drive. Obviously, as we can see, the car did not start. Our IGLA anti-theft pin code system basically preventing the car from starting. Now, the IGLA will be using factory buttons, so we have a variety of buttons in this car. Now, every car has a different set of buttons that can work, so not all the buttons are available. But you can create a combination between 3 presses to 20 presses, which will be impossible for anybody to know. You can also change the combination as many times as you want. We teach our customers how to do that. So now that I tried to start the car, it didn't work, I'm gonna enter my special code, and that's again temporary code that the customer will change. I heard my confirmation, and again I'm gonna press the brake again and press the push button, and now the vehicle goes to ready mode and the car can be driven. The IGLA anti-theft system is available for a variety of cars, hybrid, gas and other ones. Find us at Car System Installation and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.